One of the reasons why it's so hard for us to let go is because of something called the ego death. Now, the ego is not like what we're used to when it comes to talking about our pride or let go of that ego. Your ego is actually how we see ourselves, our identity, our purpose. And an ego death is the death of that identity. You're getting divorced, you lost a fuckload of things. And that's what people don't get. Sometimes a broken heart is worse than someone dying. And it sounds like an insensitive thing to say from me, but it's the truth. It's worse than dying for some, because a part of you died, a part that you don't want to let go, a husband, a family, all of that. And you have to understand that other people are not going to get it. And the thing is that they'll say stupid but insensitive things like give it time. And they're well meaning, but giving it time is not, it doesn't have a purpose. You'll find a purpose in giving it time, but it doesn't necessarily, you could do it the other way too, where you actually find a purpose and you speed that process up. And now you have to have a mission, and that's got to be your mission. You're a single man, single dad, wherever you are now, but that your mission has to be one where you start taking care of yourself and what's best for your kids, your family, whatever. But you have to take on that mission, and it all begins with self-awareness, with knowing yourself, what you like, your passions, your loves, your zest for life. What brings that up? Because that's how you regain it. And it's no longer about being a family man. Even if you're a dad, you have to find your identity through other means, your purpose, something bigger than you. So just know that when other people start telling you that bullshit cliche and stuff about giving it time, they're well-meaning, but it doesn't work like that. It's deeper than that. You just underwent a death, a part of you, a literal death of your family being broken up, and the death of you of your identity. And to do that, to get beyond that, a lot of guys, they go to counseling, therapy, and that's great, because counseling, it's necessary for people, especially when something's broken inside of them, and they go back to try to figure out how to fix it, right? So they go from something that's broken to something that's normalcy, and that's therapy, that's counseling. Coach is a different thing. A coach, what we do is we get you from normalcy and make you at your finest. And that's the difference. So right now, for instance, I wouldn't be asking you, and that's a very common thing if you guys saw my video, I don't ask what took place between you and your ex. That's not really relevant to my purpose. My purpose is to get you at your finest, and that's going to be key. So if you guys are struggling with ego death or struggling with why, that's why. And know also that you can always reach out to me. Schedule something. We all need help, and divorce, well, no one gets it. It's the third biggest stressor that a man can undergo in their life. And you're going to need help. Make yourself the smartest call that you can. Set something up. Thank you.